Alright, this video is about the work breakdown structure. Here is our work breakdown structure. The project is classified in three groups: excavation, construction, and backfilling. You don't need to have the technical knowledge regarding these headings, as these are just the examples and these are just the elements in the work breakdown structure. Okay, let's write this work breakdown structure in Microsoft Project software. Okay, let's write excavation works. In a task name, write excavation works. As you see, this duration with question mark is given by MS Project automatically. On excavation works, we have two headings: excavation of primary block, excavation of secondary block. You can just write excavation of P block and excavation of S block. Yeah. Excavation of P block, excavation of S block. It looks like we have three independent tasks. Excavation works of P block and S block should be the subgroups of excavation works. Alright, let's click on the second row and drag up to the third row. Yeah, and let's click right here in the indent tasks. Okay, after clicking here, excavation works will be bold, and these two will be the subheadings of excavation works. Now let's enter the other elements here. Construction works. Construction works. Look, this one is intended here. It looks like this comes under the excavation works, so which is not true. So we need to outdent this one. Alright, so let's write construction of P block. Right, and construction works of P block is the subgroup of construction works, so I intend this one. Alright, so under this heading, construction work of P block, we have foundation work, but it should be under the construction work of P block, so I intend this one. So next one is after foundation, then walls, construction of walls. Again, plaster works, painting works, doors and windows, roofing. Yeah. So yeah, we have all these tasks in construction work of S block as well. So I just, for my convenience, I copy this one, Control C, and paste here in this row, Control V. Right, So I outdent this one. So I replace this by S block, and yeah, we are done. So what's next? We are left with the backfilling. Backfilling. It is one of the main headings, so I outdent this one, outdent this one. Alright, so here again, backfilling of P block, backfilling of S block. Enter, and again the indent this one. So this is how we put the work breakdown structure in Microsoft project. Alright, thanks for watching. We will see in the next video.